together just to move into a time of meditation, a time of prayer, a time of centering ourselves right here, right now, right where we are. There may be something that we're ready to move on from, to drop, to leave, to let go of. We may be in the midst of feeling that hurt. Whatever it is, let's take the opportunity right now to connect with the power, the presence of Spirit, to shine its light within ourselves. And so as we breathe into this moment, we feel and know the light, the love, the peace of Spirit as an active presence here with us, within us, guiding and directing us. And so we just breathe into that presence. Taking this time to allow it to guide and direct our experience this day. To guide and direct our experience of this sacred moment. And as we sit in this divine time, we allow a thought to bubble up to the surface. It could be something that's been there for a long time that we're ready to release. It could be something new in this moment, but for right now, we simply take this opportunity to notice it, to acknowledge it, and to feel it. And as we take the time to feel whatever might be in our hearts, we use this opportunity to serve as a reminder that this divine light, this divine love, this divine presence within us is here, is active. And so we allow that divine light, that divine presence, to shine its light on whatever may have popped up in our minds. We allow Spirit to do its work within us. As we allow Spirit's light of peace to unfold in our lives and in this moment, as we rest in the silence. And ever so gently, we allow ourselves to be drawn back to this time, to this place, knowing that the work of Spirit continues on within us. And that as we allow Spirit to continue to guide, to direct us, our hearts continue to grow lighter. As we forgive ourselves for the ways we've spoken to ourselves, the things we've done to treat ourselves less than whole. For in this moment, we know that we are the perfect expression of the light and love of Spirit. And for that, we are grateful. And so it is.